Looking towards the next 50 years, the thing I see for Jamaica in particular is Jamaica being able to be on a level of being on a level of world recognition in terms of politics, in terms of economy, in terms of a world class living place to live in, not only a place just to visit. Um, in terms of the people, I see them being able to develop a lot of things that will bring them to, I guess, forefronters within technology, within the modern realm. Um, I know Jamaica right now, like a lot of places in Jamaica are doing a lot of construction. So, for example, build, bringing in a train and bringing in a lot of modern buildings and a lot of modern architecture. So I feel like Jamaica is going to be a very modern country in the next 15 years, and it's going to be a place that a lot of people want to live in. In terms of Jamaican Canadians and in terms of their art, I think that people are going to be seeing the larger importance of Jamaican Canadian art and the statements that we usually make within our work. And in the next 50 years, I feel like everyone's going to want to be a Jamaican, if not already, you know. Um, but I feel like we're going to have a bigger, larger, greater impact on the world. Yeah, that's how I see in the next 50 years. Everybody's going to be. I think, oh yeah, also, in the next 50 years, I see patois being an official language. They're going to have dictionaries, they're going to have patois classes in schools. Yes, official. Make sure you guys come out and support. Even though this is Jamaica 50, we still have a lot to go. So even though we're celebrating now, we should be celebrating more as we continue to progress and continue within the process. And yeah, make sure you guys come out and support and celebrate with us and have a good time at AGM.